It's Sammy, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really requested video that's been requested all of my life on YouTube. Just in general, every time that I do anything on social media, I always get a request to do this. So I was like, you know what? Let me just give it to you guys, because first let me say what we're doing. We're doing a room tour if it wasn't obvious from the title. I'm in a place where I really love my room, and there's not much that I would change about it. Maybe I'd obviously throughout the years, even if I keep my room the same way, I'm gonna add a couple of posters or a couple of decorations here or there. But I love it the way it is right now, so I'm not mad and I really love it. I'm finally confident enough to do it because I really love my room. It's my favorite place ever. It's really important to me to make my room the way I want it because it's the place that I'm in all the time, and it's just my happy place and my comfort place. I'm always in it and I love my room so much. I'm also gonna be telling you guys where I got all this furniture from, so if you guys want some inspiration or ideas. My room's also a different place at night, with all my lights and stuff. It looks really different, so I'll show you how it looks at night, but I'm gonna do the room in the morning. I'm doing the actual tour while it's bright outside. Enough rambling, let's just get on to it. I'm really excited, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, so let's start with the door. This is my door. It's just a plain white door, and on my door I have my little concert section. I have all my VIP lanyards from concerts. I have my Sweetener tour bag, another Sweetener tour bag, my Shawn Mendes concert bag, Taylor Swift concert bag, Katy Perry concert bag, and just some random Urban Outfitters bags. I don't know, I think it looks really cute. I like it. All my VIP lanyards can stay somewhere and display, and I don't know, I really like it. I think it's really cute and matches my room a lot, the theme of it. Beside my door, I have this nice little collage that my friend Lauren made me for my birthday. It's super cute. It's just me and my friends and all of our memories before COVID. It's just so cute. I have this random so basically my local record store, whenever there's an album or a song, they use a big they have posters in front of the store to promote. They usually give me the pop ones because I like to put them in my room. So I have this big ass Selena Gomez one that's really big because it's on the front of it was in the window of the door of the store. Okay, you know what? Yeah, whatever. And it's just really big and I don't have anywhere to put it, and I don't want to throw it out, so I just put it here right now. I might sell it, but who knows. Then I have my microphone stand for when I want to record music, which I never do because I'm too insecure. Then I have my tripod. My tripod's way bigger than this. You can extend it. Then I have my trash bin. It's just a holographic trash bin. Right now there's just random ass shit in there. This is my signed Camila Cabello poster from when I met her. It's signed and it's framed. It's really special. It's my first meet and greet, so it's a nice memory to have in my room, and I think it fits my room as well. I put some vines around it just to add on to it, and there's also some fairy lights that I never put on because they're not the cutest. But then this is my closet. My closet's a mess right now, so let's not mind it. I just have some clothes. I have my hats and then blankets and Funko Pops. Yeah, my closet's a mess. There's stuff everywhere, so we don't have to talk about that. But that's my closet, and I put some vines over it because I think it looks cute. I like it. Then I have a fan because I get really hot at night, so I just put it in this corner. Now this is my dresser area where all my clothes are, most of my clothes, and then my TV area as well. Most of my clothes are in here. This is my TV. It's a smart TV, so I can watch Netflix. Oh hey, Netflix, YouTube, whatever I want. And I also have my PS4 connected here, so I can play Fortnite. That's the only game I play. It's a remote. I just give it right here. Then this is my perfume slash beauty section because I don't do makeup or anything. I have all of my Ariana perfumes. I have lotion because I'm an ashy ass man. I get really ashy. I have lip balm and lotion and deodorant and all that stuff. Hygiene needs. I have this little thing with money in it. There's nothing in there right now because most of it's in my account, but I have some money in there. I don't even live in America, so I don't even know why I have American money, but whatever. Then I have my Ariana boxes and my Shawn Mendes perfume box and my Ariana perfume box, so everything is just laid out there. And then I have two posters up here. I have my Blackpink poster. This is the Kill This Love poster, and I have the How You Like That Blackpink poster as well, and I just put it there because I think it adds to it because it looked really boring before that. Then here is my CDs. This was a display case for Lover CDs when Lover came out, but then I asked the store if I could have it after they're done with it, and they were like, yeah, sure, and they gave it to me, and it's the perfect place to put my CDs. I do want to change this soon though because it's kind of big and it takes a lot of space up in my room. For now it's fine. Then over here is my bed. I realize I haven't been saying where I got everything, but my bed is from IKEA. My little, what is this called? Shelf? Dresser. My dresser is from IKEA. Most of my stuff is from IKEA. The vines are from Amazon. My friend gave me her extra ones, and then picture frames are from Michael's. and posters are from like the K-pop shop. But yeah, this is my bed. The bedding is from Amazon. It's just a cow print bedding. I really like it, and I just have white bed sheets underneath. Then I have like some squishmallows. I have this one, and that's a sleep mallow, but it's the same thing. And I have a friend's pillow that my friend gave me for Christmas. Underneath my bed I have 4 drawers, and I have like clothes and like other stuff down there. So yeah, over my bed on the ceiling I have this tapestry. I got it from Amazon. It's really pretty. It's over my room light, so like that's why it's really bright right now. Like if I turn it off, it's fine. Over my bed I have a couple of posters. I have this Ariana poster from the record store, this Ariana poster from the record store, and then these 3 like Billy like little mini pictures from a fan box. This is the wall opposite from my bed. I have a Frank Ocean Blonde poster, which I got at a local poster shop. I also got this Mac Miller poster at a local poster shop. I love these 2 posters. 2 of my favorite artists. I love them so much. This is my favorite posters ever. I also got this Billy poster that I got at Walmart. It's really cute. I was gonna put another poster here, but my LED like thing that like tracks from the remote is there, so I can't. Then I have a picture of me and Billy on the wall. I just got this printed out at Walmart. Then I have this other Billy poster, which I got at her pop-up shop in Toronto. I have this Blackpink poster, which I got from the album, the How You Like That album. I have this K-12 poster that I got from Hot Topic. Then this is my desk, one of my favorite parts of my room. Let me do a little desk tour. I recently got a new desk. I had my old one for like all of my life, and I recently got this new one, and I really love it. It's just this white desk, and I got it from Amazon. Over my desk I have this Frank Ocean poster and this Tyler the Creator poster that I got from my local poster store. Then over here I have all these random books that I don't even read, and like YouTuber books, just random books that I've had since my childhood. I don't even read, and they sit on this like shelf that's like invisible. And then up top I also have this Harry Styles poster from the local poster store near me. On my desk I have a couple things. I have this organizer that I got from Amazon. They just have like my pencils and my pencil crayons and like pens and like scissors and like my hard drive and my HP printer and like a portable charger, just random stuff that I might need. Then I got this lamp. It's like an LED lamp, a desk lamp, and it's just an LED lamp and simple. There's also like this color changing thing at the bottom, which I think is really cool. And I think my parents got this at Costco and it was on sale. Then I have my wallet here just cause. Over here I have like my studio recording stuff. So like I have my audio interface and my microphone for whenever I want to record covers or songs, and like speakers for that. Then over here I have this nice little art that my friend Hannah made me for Christmas. It's so cute. It's like Ariana made out of like wires. It's really cool. Then I have this fake plant that's really cute. I got this at HomeSense, I'm pretty sure. Underneath that I just have slime, my extra keyboard for when I'm gaming because I don't want to ruin my Mac keyboard by when I'm gaming. I have a stapler. Over here I have like more stationary stuff and like my MacBook stuff, like an extra mouse and like fisheye lens and like my dongle. And I got this from Amazon. It's really cool and helpful. It's like a makeup organization place, but I just made it into like a stationary organization thing, and it's really helpful. And over here I just have my laptop and my AirPods and like my phone, and like look how cracked my phone is, by the way. What the hell? And then my mouse and mouse pad, and my mouse is from Amazon, my keyboard is from Amazon, and my mouse pad is also from Amazon. Most of the things are from Amazon or IKEA. And this is my chair. It has like this cushion from Miniso on it, and this is a really ugly chair, but it's just it does the job. It's really comfy. It's just a black chair. I don't know where I got it from, but it's a black chair. Then I have my window next to my desk, and there's like these curtains on it from Walmart. They're not the cutest, but they're not the worst, so I might get these changed eventually, like just to plain white or plain gray. They're just simple like curtains. I got them at Walmart. Over here is probably my favorite part of my room. It's like my music slash fandom section. So we have this shelf that I got from IKEA. Inside the shelf we have like my fandom area. So I have my Blackpink shelf with like Blackpink albums and merch. Then I have my Ariana section with like a lot of my mini Ariana merch and my Ariana CDs and stuff. I also have a Polaroid camera in my Blackpink one. I just don't know where else to put it, and I think it matched, so I was like, okay, you know what, I'll put it there. Then I have my Billy like merch, little merch area. Not like my clothes merch, but like mini things. That's for all of these. And then I have my records. I love all of them, and I have them organized by color. I also have like record cleaners, so that's also there. On top of the shelf, I have my record player. It's an Audio Technica. I love it so much. If you're gonna get a record player, get actual good one. Don't get one of those suitcase ones. Those will ruin your vinyls. This one's really good, and it connects with speakers, and I love it so much. Then over here I have my Starlight. It's really pretty. Oh shit, I did not it just turned on by itself. Yeah, my Starlight here, and then the remote for the Starlight and the LED light. Then I have my Google Home over here. Then behind my Google, I have this alarm clock. I usually don't wake up with my phone alarm, so I have this alarm clock because it actually wakes me up. I have this like nice LED lamp. It's just this pretty LED lamp that like lights up, and it's really pretty. And I got it from when I bought Rem by Ariana, like the perfume. Then this is my mirror. This is like my little mirror that I use when I wake up in the morning to see if I look ugly or not. I got this at Costco, and it's just really helpful, especially if you're doing makeup. I don't really do makeup, but it's still helpful for me. Audio Technica record player I got at Amazon. Starlight from Amazon. Alarm clock also from Amazon. Then over here, I have my Normani signed poster from when I met Normani. It's really cute. Then I have a clock on top. Then over here is like some more posters. I have like 2 small pictures of me and Billie. I don't know what else to put here, so I just put that. Then I have this Billie Eilish calendar. I always have a calendar on my wall because I like it, and I have it there. Then I have 3 Taylor pictures, my signed Melanie poster, my signed Selena poster, my signed Conan poster, and a signed Devani poster, and then a set list from Sabrina Carpenter's tour that's also signed. I also have my VIP Ariana Grande Sweetener Tour poster over there as well. Then underneath all that is like a mess. This place is a mess. I'll tell you why it's a mess. So basically, first of all, this is where I charge everything. Like my alarm clock, my Google, my Starlight, everything, my camera, everything gets charged here. And it's this really cool extension like cable thing from Amazon. You can like plug it in from any direction, because like usually like the ones that are straight are really hard to plug in a lot of stuff. But this one's really helpful. Over here is a mess because I have these 2 big ass things for my chains and necklaces. It's really a mess right now. I'll fix it later. Don't hate on me in the comments. And I have all my sunglasses in this big box because I have so many and I don't know where to put it because I don't have that much space for it. So I was like, let me just place it here. It's fine. It works for me. I also have my water bottle that's usually up here, so I don't know why it's down there. And then I have a portable charger. It should be plugged in right now. So it's kind of a mess over here, but you know what? It's fine. I don't really care. So that's pretty much my room. My room is pretty small, so I don't have that much space for everything, but my room is very minimalistic, if that's a word. But I really love it. I love it. I love how it turns out. I'm really happy with it. I hope you guys got some inspiration for your rooms. I'm going to show you in an upcoming clip what it looks like at night. Ignore the messy bed. I just got out of it, but this is my room all completed with all the lights. Really pretty, really pretty. You can come over here. Here's the Starlight, looks really pretty over the tapestry. And this light. Yeah, this is my room at night. A whole different place. I love it. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked my room. I hope you guys got some inspiration if you guys needed it. I hope you're happy because it's so requested. But I love you all so much. I hope you all have the best day. I love you all so much. Thank you for all the support recently on the YouTube videos. And I really hope you're happy that I'm being consistent. And I hope my videos make your day, because that's all I want to do in life, is make people's day, make people happy. If you have any questions about my room, any questions on the furniture, where I got it from, like anything, let me know. Just DM me at Typically Sammy on Instagram, or at Fading Baggage on Twitter, and I will definitely get back to you. But other than that, I love you all so much. Remember to subscribe and comment and like and all that stuff. And also follow all of my social medias. They're linked down below. I'll see you guys next week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!